Hey, this is Nick's News live from the train crash. What we have here is just horrifying. Watch this. Look at that. It's on its side and all. I'm trying to find my brother and sister. Let's go in for a closer look. Look, there's a helicopter right there. Where is he? Right there. It's hard to see, but is they're alright. Now, this has been on the news all the time, and it's actually close to my house. See this field right here? This field? There's my house. Right there. That's my house. And this whole entire field. We love playing this. It's not ours, but we know the person who owns it, which is actually John Steinbrink, Wisconsin state representative. He gives us riding his tractor and stuff because he plows this field. He loves to do that. Oh gosh, there's a bunch of brush. Oh, and the stuff I hate. Alright, check this out. Oh god, the helicopter's coming in close. I gotta cut it short, okay? Bye.